Hello everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to Mix Tips with Mage. I just want to show you a quick way on how to get the Fruity Loops saturation, the harmonic saturation we get anytime we produce on Fruity Loops. And unfortunately, not all of us have Fruity Loops to produce with, but this is a quick one and a fast way to get that Fruity Loop sound using just one plugin. I'll be using the plugin called Orion. It's a plugin by Jason Joshua, one of the greatest mix engineers ever. This plugin is very helpful to drums, and I will show you a quick way on how to get that harmonic saturation that Fruity Loops actually gives anytime we work on Fruity Loops. So first thing I do is I create a bus, but I'm putting the bus in parallel and it's coming in as a pre-fader if you are using Logic. In any other DAW as well, try to set the send or the bus or whatever it's called on your DAW to a pre-fader mode, meaning that whatever this signal is coming before it hits the main signal. So that's why we put it on pre-fader. So it's before the fader. So this is our bus, the parallel, the new bus. And we bring in Orion. I'm not doing too much of tweaking on the Orion. I'll just be setting up the drive color on A. The harmonics will be on 80. The compression, I leave it on B, and I pull back a bit to about 76, thereabout. And the lift as well is needed for that grit. And this section here is the most important of all. This is the Fruity Loops grid. So I'll be showing you how to set this up now. So let's hear it in parallel and see and blend it in with what we have. So this is the drums we have today. Now adding the parallel to it, it might get over loud due to illustration of this video, so we are going to blend it in. Already you can hear it adding that extra punch to the drums, so now we're going to blend it in. As you can hear, it's giving it some harmonics already, which is making it very musical. This is without it, and with it. So feel free to make adjustments with it, and tweak according to how you feel is right to you. You can also get creative with its knobs and add what you need to add. It's really a great plugin, and I indulge you to check it out and try it out on your drums. Thanks for watching, guys.